coaching thought for the day. I just finished the book When by Daniel Pink, and I came across something interesting. He said that according to research, the single best predictor of if an employee is satisfied with their boss is email response time. If a boss takes longer to respond to emails, then that usually is an indicator that someone is not satisfied working with them. And it made me think, I think the same could easily be said for instructional coaches. I think that convicted me of there are times that I don't always get to respond to my email as quickly as I can. I happen to work for an administrator who is incredibly quick to respond to emails for every person in the building. And I know that makes me feel important. That makes me feel good, makes me feel happy to work with him. I hope that I can get better at doing that for teachers too, because being aware of that I think is really important. So as swamped and covered up as we are, for me, I'm still near the beginning of the school year right now, which means, frankly, I just get overwhelmed by all the email and messages and things that come through right now. But I want to try and set out to be better at responding to my email more quickly. I mean, I usually get to people within a day, but I don't know, like sometimes this past week, it's been maybe 2 days since I've gotten back to somebody. So I just think that's an interesting point. I think that's fascinating, and I think that's something that we can be aware of as instructional coaches to help people be more satisfied in working with us.